Purchasing a home, there are two different types of insurance that you may want to consider purchasing it as part of your closing cost. And I am here with my favorite director at Cardinal Title, who is going to brief us into what are the options and what are the costs and what's associated or what covers under those insurance policies.
So you'll hear a lot of different terms during the closing process, but one of the most important terms is owner's title insurance. That's essentially the bread and butter of what a title company does. We offer title insurance to protect the new homeowner against future issues that could arise that impact their ability or their proper ownership of their property. So it is an optional insurance, which is important to note. But at the end of the day, I'd say 95 to 99% of our clients select it just because it is just that. It is insurance that protects them against future issues. So there's standard and enhanced. Standard, it's self-explanatory in terms of the term. Standard protects you against a handful of things like, claims by other parties, forgeries, things that affect, a list of errors that may affect the property's transfer in the future. Then there's the enhanced. It's a little bit more expensive, but it protects greater things. And it's really what we recommend because at the end of the day, you want to make sure that you're protected as the homeowner when, let's say you're buying a $500,000 property. Obviously, you want to make sure you're as protected as possible because in the future, if issues do arise, this insurance can kick in and save you essentially ownership of the property. So the enhanced goes into a little bit more detail, but things like that are that it protects or leans against the property, zoning issues, encumbrances on the actual property itself and things of that nature. So in summation, it's really, really important that you at least consider title insurance just because, like we said, it's something that protects you as the homeowner and it's a peace of mind like any insurance really.
Especially in our fast-paced moving market where we are selling so quickly and trying to get everybody to the closing table because the seller wants a quick settlement. Having an owner's title insurance policy just has that reassurance that if there is an oops on the title or something comes up, then everybody's covered over here at least. And also, I think we have talked about it in the past that owner's insurance not just covers you for the time when you're buying the property, but also when you sell the property under the enhanced program.
Exactly. And obviously as a homeowner, you want to make sure that you're able to sell the property the way you want to. And you don't want any hiccups or anything that will impact your ability to sell the property. And you especially don't want that to come up, a week before settlement. So things like that. Once again, the title insurance is a peace of mind to make sure that you own the property the right way while you're the owner and you're able to sell the property the right way when you want to sell.
Yeah, and also I can tell you the nightmare stories in 2008 and 9 when the foreclosures and short sales were happening on the title issues that we had to deal with. And owner's title insurance was another great way of assuring that the buyers and sellers were conveying a clear title. I appreciate you sharing this information. As always, thank you, Reid. And if you like to buy or sell, let's team up 703-625-4949. Thanks.